Hi, my name is Dr. Lumina. Welcome to this journey through strategy and insights. Today, we'll explore the powerful world of advanced measurement and analytics within influencer marketing. In this session, we'll uncover how to track engagement, analyze sentiment, measure ROI, and use platforms like Google Analytics and Socialbakers to drive data-backed decisions. Whether you're optimizing conversions or automating reports, this module will give you the analytical toolkit to succeed. Why advanced analytics matter. Advanced analytics provide the clarity needed to separate opinion from outcome. They help marketers attribute performance, optimize spend, and iterate campaigns based on evidence, not hunches. In influencer marketing, where metrics can be elusive, they make the invisible visible. Strategic decisions become data-driven, and success becomes repeatable. This is where influencer marketing shifts from guesswork to science. Overview of measurement framework. We begin by building a strong analytics framework. This includes aligning campaign objectives with KPIs, choosing the right measurement tools, and setting up attribution models. Without this structure, even the best tools will yield noise. Think of it as setting up a GPS for your strategy. Once in place, you'll know where you're headed and how to course correct if needed. Engagement metrics. Essentials. Engagement is the heartbeat of influencer marketing. We track reach, impressions, and more nuanced behaviors like comments, shares, and saves. The engagement rate offers a clearer view of how compelling content really is. We also watch follower growth as a signal of lasting interest. These metrics help define influence, not just popularity. Top tools and best practices. To track engagement effectively, use both native platform tools and third-party dashboards. Instagram Insights and TikTok Analytics are great for granular views, while tools like Sprout Social consolidate everything. Benchmarking against industry norms and filtering out bots ensures you're measuring what truly matters. It's all about authentic engagement, not inflated numbers. How sentiment analysis works. Sentiment analysis dives into the emotional tone of user reactions. Using natural language processing, we can assign positive, neutral, or negative scores to comments and captions. Emojis and hashtags are key indicators here. This isn't just about what users say, it's about how they feel. And that emotional signal is invaluable for brand perception. Tools and use cases for sentiment analysis. Platforms like BrandWatch and TalkWalker make sentiment analysis scalable. Use them to benchmark sentiment over time and across campaigns. You'll also gain early warnings for potential PR issues. More proactively, you can detect emerging trends and ride emotional waves with timely messaging. Emotion, after all, drives engagement and loyalty. Defining ROI in influencer marketing, ROI goes beyond revenue. It includes earned media value, brand lift, and cost efficiency. Start by defining your return, sales, reach, engagement, and compare it to the influencer investment. ROI also differentiates between organic buzz and paid exposure. When tracked well, it becomes the single most powerful proof point for influencer success. Calculating and interpreting ROI. We apply formulas to clarify ROI, but interpreting results requires context. Attribution modeling, whether last click or multi-touch, shapes how credit is assigned. Adjust expectations for each platform and campaign type. A story might not convert immediately, but may seed future sales. Long-term value often exceeds short-term returns. GA setup for campaign tracking. Google Analytics, GA, is vital, but only if configured correctly. Use UTM parameters on influencer links to track source, medium, and campaign performance. Define clear goals for actions like purchases or signups. Segment your audience to identify how influencer traffic behaves. GA translates social buzz into website impact. Reporting and funnels in GA. Funnels show us where potential buyers drop off and where they convert. Behavior flow visualizes user paths from landing to exit. Goal funnels let you spot which steps need fixing. Multi-channel reports help understand how influencers complement other efforts like paid ads. It's about finding your conversion story. Socialbakers capabilities. Overview Socialbakers, now Amplify, is a comprehensive analytics suite tailored to social. It offers influencer benchmarking, audience insights, and AI-driven recommendations. Want to know which post types perform best or who your audience really is? Socialbakers tells you. Its strength is in its unified, intuitive view across platforms. Using Socialbakers for influencer ROI? With Socialbakers, you can assign scorecards to each influencer and track their contribution to goals. You'll spot engagement trends over time and even forecast future performance. This makes influencer selection less about gut and more about data. Comparative ROI helps decide who stays on your roster. Iteration through testing and insights. The best campaigns evolve through testing. A/B testing formats, messages, or timing can reveal surprising truths. Analytics feed back into creative strategy in near real time. Adopt a fail-fast mindset. Experiment often and pivot quickly. Success becomes a product of structured learning. Case studies of optimization. Real brands use these insights daily. A beauty brand pivoted content styles and boosted conversions by 30%. A travel company moved posts mid-week and doubled engagement. Others scaled micro-influencers after spotting unexpected ROI. Optimization is where analytics become revenue. What influences conversion rate? Conversion rates depend on factors like CTA clarity, page alignment, and audience fit. The influencer must connect authentically with the audience. The content must align with the landing experience, and it all must load flawlessly on mobile. Every friction point kills conversions. A/B testing for conversion optimization. A/B testing is your microscope. Try different headlines, CTAs, and form lengths. Experiment with visuals. Does a video work better than an image? Change one thing at a time for clean comparisons. These micro insights compound into macro improvements over time. Comparison of key reporting platforms. Sprout Social, Hootsuite, Google Data Studio, and Dash This each have unique strengths. Choose based on your team's needs. Do you need visualization, automation, or influencer-specific ROI? The right tool can save hours of manual work and unlock smarter decisions. Automating reports and dashboards. Automation keeps you consistent and efficient. Schedule reports weekly. Create role-specific dashboards. Real-time alerts help catch problems before they escalate. Integration across tools ensures you always see the full picture. Reporting becomes strategic, not just reactive. Integrated analytics workflow. Your tools must talk to each other. Aggregate all data into a central hub. Enable collaboration across marketing, analytics, and influencer teams. Let insights flow freely. And most importantly, feed those insights back into strategy. Analytics should create a flywheel of improvement. Common pitfalls and best practices. Don't fall into common traps, like chasing vanity metrics or ignoring attribution. Silos kill insights, so integrate early. Focus on actionable metrics, not just flashy ones. Treat every campaign as a data opportunity. Analytics is a discipline of continuous refinement. Recap and action plan. In summary, measure what matters. Use insights to guide decisions. Automate where possible, and never stop optimizing. Scale what works, fix what doesn't. This isn't just data. It's the foundation of high-performance influencer marketing.